What is going on, everybody? This your boy Vlad coming with a quick video. So this video is actually about tracking your trades. Before I start, I do want to give a shout out to Humble Trader because I actually got this template from her YouTube channel. And before I got this template, I was using my own, and it wasn't as organized as how she have it because I'm not really an Excel guy. Um, but nonetheless, I'll just go over some of the stuff that I have. You could certainly modify it, but here's some of the stuff that I would recommend not modifying. So underneath the data, day like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you're trying to get a feel. The reason why that's important, just to get a feel for what days that you're typically are at your best. Um, then you have followed plan, yes or no, and you have equity or option. So if you are into option, you could actually just fill in option right here, and it would pop up on the next page. Since I don't trade options, I didn't have anything on there. Then you have long or short. Are you, of course, buying the stock, or are you shorting it? On here, you could actually delete all of this if these are not any of the setups that you're trying to track. Once you delete it, it's going to automatically upload to the copy me part. And the same thing with exit. If you want, you could delete it, just in case if you have something different in mind for your exit. But I just put target hit, stopped out, shaken out, trailed stop, hold and hope, scale out. Then I have D for day trade or S for swing trade. So everything's pretty straightforward with that. Another thing that I implemented on this page is time of day. I think time of day is important because through this process, when I was first starting out, I noticed that I was making more money between the hours of 9:30 and 10:30. Then when I try to extend my trades a little bit further, that's when I used to, take my losses, take more losses, and giving up some of the gains that I got that morning. So that certainly helps out. Um, then the same thing that we have date, day, Monday, Tuesday, time of day. Did I follow my plan? Stock ticker. Was it a swing trade? Equity? Did I go long? The setups. It's gonna be, like a drop down. Um, and you have your exit, where you're shaking out. Like, what were you feeling? How many shares? This is my entry. This is my exit, and it lets me know my profit percentage, gross exposure. Right here on the notes tab, you could put anything like how you're feeling, what market was the stock on, anything that you feel that is important for you to be able to keep on the tracking. Because at the end of the day, this is going to be personalized to you. I'm just giving you an outline of what I did for myself. Because you could certainly, if you're Excel savvy, you could add more things to this. I just kept it the same because for me, it just stuff that I need to know um, was already implemented into this template. So it also has your win rate, how many trades you take, your average win, your average loss, largest winner, largest loser. Um, yeah, so it pretty much have everything. And guys, this is literally what helped me out to become a profitable trader, because breakouts was, you know, still is a challenge for me. And after playing breakouts and seeing that, through this data, that I kept losing, and I kept losing big on breakouts. Then I have other plays that I'm making, tons of money in, but until I started eliminating the breakout plays, that's when everything started switching. So hopefully this will help you guys on your trading career, your trading journey. I am gonna leave a link in the description below. So all you have to do once you go to the link, it's gonna take you to this website. Just gonna wait for the whatever ad that it is before I download the file. So once this finish uploading, you could do skip ad. You're gonna be on this page. You could block this. You don't even have to do that. You just have to wait. For some reason, it does take a little bit. All right. Then it's gonna pull up here. Then you could just click download and download the file. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, a comment, and let me know what you think. I'll try to make more videos for you guys as per requested. But this is Vlad signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your night. Deuces.